After taking the intro to energy healing, I felt inspired to just go in deeper with my education, and that's what led me to the advanced energy healing with Linda, which was hands-on, which I loved. It was a very personal and intimate group. I met amazing Reiki sisters that were like-minded and was really searching to add more. Linda was amazing in class. She gave us so much knowledge and education that just boosted my confidence right there. It allowed me to better understand who I am as a Reiki healer. That was something that I struggled because I knew what I wanted to do for my clients, but it was so hard for me because I do like hands-on, and being able to walk through the series with her and be there and share that with other Reiki sisters was pretty amazing. We learned a lot about each other. Linda gave us the tools that we needed to be successful, and that's what really helped me. It helped. She put a kit together for us. We had tools in our kit. We were able to share experiences. We did the hands-on training with the Gemstone Reiki facial, which is amazing. And we did the gua sha tool, and we also did the kanza tool. All those lovely things were all in our kit, and there was something that I was able to understand better. I kind of heard about some of them, but never really used them. And to be able to do that in classroom with each other and with Linda, supporting us and guiding us through the whole entire series was amazing. So it allowed me to be successful in my shop with my clients and offer them different services that I truly believe that will be helpful into their healing. And I'm very happy that I took the course, and I do look forward to doing the other courses with Linda in the future. So after taking the courses with Linda and doing the hands-on training with her, it allowed me to put together different packages for my clients so I could be successful, but also to be able to provide them a better service. And since I started doing that, I started incorporating the Reiki gemstone facials into my practice, and I've been slowly starting to truly understand what my clients need. So it has made me successful, and I just look forward to bringing and bridging the gap between my clients learning the true meaning of energy healing work, but also to allow them to be who they're supposed to be and understand that we are all capable of healing regardless of what we're going through in life. And that's why it was huge for me to bridge the two together and really focus on the Reiki energy healing in my practice.